Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a shortcut for any website on your desktop and taskbar. This way you can quickly access your favorite website anytime. So let's get started. First method, we using Google Chrome. For that, open Google Chrome and visit your favorite website. Now click on three-dot menu in the top right corner. Select Cast, Save and Share option. Then click on Create Shortcut. A new window will appear. You can rename your shortcut if you want. After that, click on Create button. That's it. You will now see the website shortcut on your desktop. Whenever you want to open the website, just double click on your shortcut and it will open directly in Google Chrome. Now let's move the second method using Microsoft Edge browser. Open Microsoft Edge browser and go to your favorite website. Click on three-dot menu. Select More Tools. Then click on Pin to Taskbar. Now you will see website shortcut pinned in your taskbar. Simply click on it anytime to instantly open your favorite website. And in this way you can easily create website shortcut on your desktop or taskbar for quickly access. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe our channel and stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.